Welcome to the WP Training Kit video number 30, Favicon. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to insert or change Favicon into your WordPress site. So let's get started. Back on the WordPress dashboard, we will go to Plugins and choose Add New. In the search bar, search for Favicon. We are going to install the first one with Install Now button and then activate it from here only. Hover on Appearance, and you'll see the Favicon plugin is activated. Click on it. Now we need to select the Favicon. Click on this Select from the Media Library button. In the Media Library, you can see your media files. Let's find a picture for Favicon on Google. I am going to choose this Clicker.com to find free clip arts. Click on it, and from this site you can search hundreds of clip arts. In the Love category, we have so many pages. We will choose this red heart. Go with medium size, and you can download it directly from here. Give it a name, and it's downloaded. Now drag and drop it in your media library to upload the picture. It's uploaded. Select it, and click on this Select button. Then on this Generate Favicon button. It's preparing the Favicon editor. The new Favicon is loaded, and it has been fixed by adding transparent margins. Click on this Continue with this picture. So here, a little below, we have Favicon for Windows, and at last we have Generate Your Favicons and HTML Code button. Click on it. Here, the notification says you need to keep this plugin active, and the Favicon will be displayed if you deactivate it, and it will not affect your site's performance. You can check your Favicon by clicking on this Check Your Favicon button. It's checking Favicon, and here you have it for Mac OS, and then for classic desktop browsers. So go back to your site and refresh it, and you can see the Favicon is updated successfully on your site and on your WordPress dashboard also. That's how you insert or change a Favicon in your WordPress site. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we're going to learn how to install Google Analytics on your WordPress. See you in the next video tutorial.